Hi everyone, welcome back to Amin Teaches English. Today we're going to learn some useful phrasal verbs. Hand something in, hand something out, and hand something round. These phrasal verbs are super handy and will make your English sound more natural. Let's get started. First, let's talk about hand something in. When you hand something in, you give it to a person in authority. For example, if you're in school, you might hand in your homework to your teacher. So you could say, please hand in your assignments by Friday. Next, we have hand something out. When you hand something out, you give it to each person in a group. Imagine you're in a classroom and the teacher wants to hand you out the test papers. So you could say the teacher handed out the test papers to the students. Lastly, let's learn about hand something round. When you hand something round, you pass it to each person in a group. This is often done with food or drinks. For example, imagine you're at a party with your friends and you have a bowl of chips. You might say, can you hand round the chips, please? This means you want everyone to have some chips. To recap, hand something in means to give something in to a person in authority, and hand something out means to give something to each person in a group, and hand something round means to pass something around to people in a group, mostly used for foods and drinks. Now it's your turn to make sentences using hand something in, hand something out, and hand something round. And drop your sentences down below in the comment section and I'll be checking all of them and giving you all guys the feedbacks. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Amin Teaches English for more simple and fun English lessons. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep practicing. Bye for now.